everyone, welcome back to the channel Maths with Berlin, and here we are again with our new problem solving series. So yeah, let's get started with today's problem. So we have given two sequences an and bn that are of positive real numbers such that an plus 1 is equal to an plus 1 by 2bn, and bn plus 1 is also similarly in the form of an and bn, right? Now we need to prove that the maxima of this is greater than 44. So this is the question for today. Now, before moving on to the solution, I would like you all to try this problem. And if you have tried it, well ahead, you can look at the hints before again trying a problem. So the hints are given as follows: that you have to use AMGM, you have to also use telescopic sum formation. Like you have to form a telescopic series out of the given information that is there, and also you have to use this fact that is very important to use, that is, if a b is greater than n and a and b are greater than 0, then we have a to be greater than n, root over n, right? So you use this information that I have provided to you and you arrive at a solution, right? So let's move on to the solution part. So for the solution, what we have done is we have basically taken the two series that are given to us, the two recurrence relations that are given to us, and we have multiplied both of the sequences. Now, when multiplying both of the sequences, you need to take care about your calculation part, and this results into this. Okay. Now, most of you will be tempting to do this as AMGM, right? AMGM. So that gives a solution, right? So what is the solution from there will be a different topic. So this must be greater than or equal to 2, and then you can sum up all of them, and then you can show how they are independently greater than or equal to root over n or something like that. So that is also a possible solution for this problem. But today's solution that I will be showing to you is a much more elegant way. So you don't have to apply AMGM. What you have to do is, you know that this is a positive term, this is also a positive term. So you can write this to be greater than this, right? Now you take this a and bn to this side, right, and you arrive at this equation. Then you sum it up for all the n up to 0 to k. Now there is an important thing to note, that a0 and b0 were not defined in our question, so we need to define it in such a way that the question is not altered. So properly reading the question, we can see that an and bn are sequence of positive real numbers, right? But 0 is not a positive. 0 is not a positive number, right? So we can assume that a0 to be equal to 0 and b0 to be also equal to 0. So that doesn't change anything. So that is without loss of generality, right? We are not changing the general problem that is given to us. So that is written as WLOG. Now without loss of generality, we assume that a0 equal to b0 equals to 0. And an times bn is greater than n. So therefore we get that the maximum value of an bn is greater than root over of n. And hence from here we get that the maximum value of this is greater than root over of 2018, which is always greater than root over of 44. Oh sorry, not root over, that is greater than 44. So that is it for today. Hope to see you guys in the next video. And please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you everyone.